Hi, this is Mark Woodward, your straight shooting advisor, and this is the KANA Private Wealth Group's second quarter 2021 tactical brief. Let me begin by saying that I hope that you and your families have been able to stay healthy and safe during these times. Now, according to the Department of Labor, the U.S. Producer Price Index for final demand was up 1% in March, and it rose 4.2% over the last 12 months, which is the largest one-year increase since 2011. Now, this could pose a problem for small cap companies if this trend continues, because they typically have less ability to absorb that input increase, and if they can't pass those increases along to their customers, then their margins are going to get squeezed. Now, as evidence of this pressure, the Russell 2000 index hasn't made a new high since March 15th, while the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Indexes both continue to make new highs. Now, I'll continue to monitor and make adjustments to our models as necessary. On the fixed income side of things, the U.S. 10-year Treasury has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride so far this year. Yields have gone from 0.915% on January 1st to a little over 1.75% in March before falling back down to 1.62 on April 13th. This upward movement is probably due more to bond market participants' desire for normal inflation-adjusted yield and also anticipating more inflationary pressure to come from all of the government stimulus. In the short term, I do think yields will continue to creep higher, but they will stabilize at some point between the end of this year and early next year in 2022. Now, with that in mind, I replaced global bonds with floating rate bonds in our models so that we can better take advantage of the short-term interest rate increases and provide more stability to our portfolios. Now, as part of our ongoing screening and selection process, I replaced our multi-sector bond fund manager, and no other fund managers had to be replaced. If you have any questions about your accounts or you need help navigating these troubling times, please call me, and remember, at KANA Private Wealth Group, we help you put your family first.